Tim here from Your Sex Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to update apps on your Android phone. So just go to the Google Play Store. You can find it on your apps list. It should be over here, or go to search and type in Play Store. And then open this up. Now you can see all these categories. We can go to You. Tap our name in the top right. Scrolling down, and we go to Manage Apps and Devices. And then we can go to Updates. So go to Updates right here. And if there's an update available for an app, you should be able to just select Update under here. And you can update everything at the same time. My phone is just a little bit slow right now. Let's go to Update All. And you can see all these different applications that will update now. So you don't have to do it one by one or wait now. And there should be an option under here for automatic updates as well. So you can just look at that. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out.